Hello, my name is Ada. Let's talk about the impact of learning tech and digital skills on your kids and how it preps them for the future. Tech skills like coding, robotics, and digital literacy are more than just fun. They are crucial for future success. First, tech skills boost problem-solving abilities. Your kids will learn to think logically and creatively. Secondly, they are essential in almost every career, from doctors to artists. Everyone uses tech. Thirdly, these skills make your kids adaptable. The tech world changes very fast, and being tech-savvy means they can keep up. So why wait? Start introducing your tech skills to your kids today. And hey, if you found this helpful, bring your kids to Bizmarrow Summer ICT Coding and Robotics Training. They will have a blast while learning vital skills. Call us today or visit any of our 3 offices in Abuja. Give your kids the tools for a bright future. Don't miss out on this opportunity to prepare them for tomorrow. See you.